Best water coolers. Are you looking for the best water coolers? In this video we will look at some of the best water coolers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser with BioGuard is a well-designed and user-friendly water dispenser ideal for both home and office use. Featuring 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature, it caters to a variety of hydration needs, from brewing tea or coffee to enjoying a refreshing cold drink or simply filling up a glass of room temperature water. One of its standout features is the bottom loading design, which eliminates the strain of lifting heavy water bottles. This design not only enhances convenience but also maintains a cleaner look by hiding the bottle inside the unit. The durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance and a sleek, modern appearance that fits most decors. Health and safety are prioritized with the inclusion of BioGuard, an antimicrobial coating that helps reduce the spread of bacteria on key surfaces. This is especially important in shared environments like offices, waiting areas, or family kitchens. The dispenser is also UL listed, ensuring it meets strict safety standards in the US. The hot water feature includes a child safety lock, providing added protection in households with young children. The cold water reservoir efficiently chills water for quick refreshment, while the room temperature option is convenient for casual use or cooking. Overall, the Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler combines convenience, hygiene, and performance. Its thoughtful design, especially the bottom loading system, BioGuard antimicrobial protection, and durable stainless steel body, makes it a reliable and low-maintenance choice for those seeking a safe, stylish, and functional hydration solution. Number 2. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser, Limited Edition is a sleek, modern hydration solution designed for convenience, hygiene, and style. With its 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and cool, it caters to a variety of beverage preferences, whether you're brewing tea, enjoying a refreshing cold drink, or sipping room temperature water. This dispenser features a bottom-loading design, eliminating the hassle and strain of lifting heavy water jugs. Simply slide the bottle into the lower compartment and let the powerful pump system do the rest. The hidden bottle also creates a cleaner, more streamlined appearance, ideal for kitchens, offices, or home gyms. A standout feature of this model is its self-cleaning function. Using a powerful ozone system, it sanitizes the water tank and lines, reducing the risk of bacterial buildup and ensuring every sip is fresh and clean. This makes the Brio dispenser a healthier and low-maintenance choice for busy households or workspaces. The stainless steel and black finish, combined with touch-sensitive controls and a digital display, give the unit a premium look and user-friendly functionality. A child safety lock on the hot water button adds an extra layer of protection, making it family-friendly. Energy efficient and UL/Energy Star certified, the Brio dispenser is also environmentally conscious, helping you reduce single-use plastic waste. The unit holds standard 3 or 5-gallon bottles and includes indicator lights for bottle replacement and cleaning cycles. Overall, the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler is a top-tier choice for those seeking a reliable, hygienic, and stylish water dispenser. Its thoughtful design, safety features, and self-cleaning technology make it a smart investment for clean drinking water at any time. Number 3. Igloo Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser. The Igloo stainless steel hot, cold and room water cooler dispenser is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed to provide instant access to hot, cold, and room temperature water. Compatible with 3 and 5-gallon bottles, this dispenser features a no-lift bottom-loading design, making bottle installation easier and minimizing strain, ideal for home or office use. It is equipped with 3 separate spouts for hot, cold, and room temperature water, offering convenient hydration options for everyone. Whether you're brewing tea, making instant noodles, or simply enjoying a refreshing glass of water, this unit meets various daily needs. The hot water spout includes a child safety lock, adding an extra layer of protection for households with young children. The cooler's black and stainless steel finish gives it a modern, sleek appearance that fits well with different interior styles. Its durable stainless steel construction not only adds to its aesthetics but also enhances longevity and hygiene. This Igloo dispenser is designed for easy operation and minimal maintenance. Indicator lights provide clear signals for hot and cold water readiness and when it's time to replace the bottle. The bottom loading system conceals the bottle inside the cabinet, keeping the unit tidy and preventing spills. In summary, the Igloo hot, cold and room water cooler dispenser combines functionality with convenience. With its 3 temperature options, bottom-loading bottle access, child safety features, and stylish stainless steel design, it's a practical and attractive solution for keeping your family or office hydrated with minimal hassle. Number 4. Frigidaire EFWC 498 Water Cooler/Dispenser. The Frigidaire EFWC 498 top-load hot and cold water cooler dispenser is a compact and versatile water cooler designed for use in a variety of settings, including homes, garages, dorm rooms, RVs, and cottages. Measuring 11 inches deep, 11.5 inches wide, and 36 inches tall, it has a slim profile that fits well in tight spaces without compromising on performance. This top-load dispenser is compatible with standard 3 and 5-gallon water bottles, making it easy to refill and maintain. It offers both hot and cold water dispensing, allowing users to conveniently prepare beverages, instant meals, or enjoy chilled drinking water at any time. The hot water is ideal for tea, coffee, and soup, while the cold water provides a refreshing option on warm days. The unit features a simple push-button dispensing system, making it user-friendly and efficient. For safety, the hot water spout includes a child safety lock to help prevent accidental burns, especially in households with young children. Its white finish and minimal design allow it to blend into various environments without standing out. The Frigidaire EFWC 498 is designed with durability and reliability in mind, offering steady performance for daily use. Its compact build makes it an ideal choice for those who need a functional water cooler without taking up much space. Although it does not include extra features like a built-in fridge or storage cabinet, its affordability and practical features make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a straightforward water dispenser. In summary, the Frigidaire EFWC 498 is a budget-friendly, space-saving top-load water cooler that provides both hot and cold water conveniently, making it a great fit for small spaces or secondary locations like garages and dorm rooms. Number 5. Brio Limited Edition Top-Loading Countertop Water Cooler. The Brio Limited Edition Top-Loading Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser is a compact and stylish hydration solution designed for home or office use. Featuring a top-loading design, this dispenser allows users to easily see when the water is running low, while offering 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature, to suit a variety of preferences and needs. This unit is UL listed and Energy Star approved, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. The hot water spout is perfect for making tea, coffee, or instant meals, while the cold option delivers refreshing, chilled water. The room temperature setting is ideal for those who prefer water that isn't too cold or hot. The dispenser includes child safety lock protection on the hot water tap, making it safer for households with young children. Brio's countertop model is designed to save space while delivering premium functionality. It fits on most countertops and is compatible with standard 3 and 5-gallon water bottles, making it a practical choice for both home kitchens and office break rooms. The sleek stainless steel accents and modern aesthetic complement a wide range of interior styles. Additional features include removable drip tray for easy cleaning and a durable ABS exterior that resists corrosion and stains. The powerful compressor cooling system ensures consistently cold water, and the hot water is rapidly heated to ideal temperatures for quick use. Overall, the Brio limited edition top-loading countertop dispenser combines convenience, safety, and efficiency in a stylish, space-saving form. Its triple temperature dispensing, energy-efficient design, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for those looking to upgrade their water consumption experience.